Hello, Year 2. Today's maths lesson, we're going to be using our money skills, but also our subtraction skills too, because we're going to find the difference between two amounts. So let's have a look at this at the first, just to warm up. The question is, how many more balloons are there in Group A than in Group B? Let's have a look. So we need to count them up. Well, as they're in pairs, coloured pairs, let's count in twos. So for Group A, it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And for Group B, 2, 4, 6. So how many more balloons are there? We just need to find the difference between Group A and Group B. And that is the ones on the end, the purple and the green. And that is 1, 2, 3, 4. So the difference is 4. Okay. There are 4 more balloons in Group A than in Group B. Now we can do this with totals as well. So find the difference between the two totals below. The first one is 45p, and the total has been made with 5p's. And then there's the 30p here. Find the difference between them. So how much money is there between them? How much more is there in the bigger amount, the 45p, than in the smaller amount? So I could see at the end, the ones I've got left over, hanging over, that are more than the 30p are 5, 10, 15. So there is 15p more in the first total. That is the difference. The difference between 45p and 30p is 15p. Now we're going to select the amount that shows the difference between 84p and 30p. So here 84p has been made with a 50p, a 20p, a 10p, and two 2p's make the 4p of 84. And then there's 30p, which is made out of 20, and a 10p coin. Select the amount that shows the difference. Well, in 30p, there's a 20p and a 10p, so they are also in the 84p. So the ones that show the difference are the 50p and the two 2p's, because they're not in the 30p, are they? So 50 plus 4p is 54p. There we go. Just like we did there. The 50p, 2p, and 2p coins are not in the bottom group. These are the difference between this amount and this amount. Now we could do this using a number line. Find the difference between the cost of the drinks. The pounds value is the same. As you can see, this drink might be hot chocolate with marshmallows inside. Yum, yum, yum. It's £2 and 65p. This orange juice is £2 and 30p. Now they've both got the same amount of pounds, so we can ignore those and just find the difference between the pence. 30p goes first on the number line because that's smaller, and we're going to count on the number line to find the difference up to 65p, like this. So you could count on, you can do jump in tens, or do, if you feel confident, do the big jump in from 30 up to 60, because remember 3 plus 3 equals 6, so 30 plus 30 equals 60. Remember those number facts that we have learned. And then to get to 65, we just add on 5 more p, and then add on the amount you've counted on. 30p plus 5p equals 35p. So the difference between £2 and 65p and £2 and 30p is 35p. That's how you use a number line to help you. Now we're going to find the difference in cost between these colourful crayons and the colourful paint. So can you tell me how much the colourful crayons are? They're £2 and 50p. And the paint it costs £5 and 50p. And we've got the amounts shown here using coins and notes. There's a £2 coin and a 50p, a £5 pound note and a 50p coin. So the pence value is the same. They both have 50p. So the difference is not between the pence, it is between the pounds. How many more pounds are there in £5.50 than in £2.50? And we can use that simply by using a number line here. So we know that there's £2 in 2 and 50p, and we know that there's £5 in £5 and 50p. And we just need to work out the difference. How much do you need to add on or count on to get to 5? Or how much do you need to count back to get to 2? Okay, so if we're counting on, or counting back even, we're taking away 1, 2, 3. We take away 3, so the difference is £3. £5 is £3 more than £2. That is the difference. Hello Year 2. Now we've had a little look at how to work out finding the difference using number lines or using coins. You can have a go at doing it on your own. There are 3 different coloured activities for you to use. I've got one which is the 1 star, 2 star and 3 star. They are on Seesaw and there are also paper copies attached to the planning as well. Have a go at choosing one of those. So you know like we do in class, well I know my class do, we have a red box, a yellow box and a green box. The green boxes are slightly easier questions, then the yellow boxes are slightly harder and the red ones are a little bit harder than that. The 1 star, 2 star and 3 star count for that. 1 star is the easiest one, the 3 stars the hardest. So have a go, choose which one you feel confident doing and have a go at answering them.